So listen, let's talk driving. We all drive every day, but do we really drive? Brake at 100 means not 150, not 120, brake at 100. Clip apex in turn 5. Closer, more steering input. There you go. Turn 1, 2, 12, start over. That was too much power, too much again, too much. That was good. Keep your rhythm, get it. You just gotta repeat. Over and over again. 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 And again. Now you are driving. Challenge yourself. The new 911 Challenge.